DHAI stock analysis price predictions for August 18th of August. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, funniest part here is that this is D holdings, right? Now, if you're in the a little bit of a new generation, you know what this means. But this is a bearish market. Like I mentioned this in the previous video, I said if I see a second break, it's a bearish market for me. And surely, I'm sticking with that. Price shouldn't be going anything higher than 26 because then I'm going to be taken out. And that's fair. I mean, again, I'm not looking at this and be like, okay, it's bullish. Only really going to be bullish if I see a full candle close about 40 cents. And we're pretty much half that. I'm not saying it's not possible, but from what I'm seeing from the price action and me following my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos, that's exactly how things are looking like for me. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails on your site, then just click the first link in the description. But other than that, this is how DHAI is looking like. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.